Do you guys want a cleaner Windows look or a quick performance boost for your PC? Here is how to turn off transparency effect in Windows 11 in seconds. It's pretty much simple. Right click on the start button, then click on settings, and then go to your personalization tab. And from here, go to colors. And this is a tab, this is an effect. It will reduce the transparency effect. You can see that as soon as I turn or toggle this off, your transparency is gone. This is how you can do that. All right. And not just that, you can turn this off from accessibility. Click on accessibility and then go to visual effects. And from here, you can turn off the transparency effect. You can also turn off the animation effect. You can see right now, if I maximize or minimize, it is using some of the animation effect, which will make the older PC work harder. To get that boost mode, like you can just turn that off just like this. Now you have turned it off and you can see how snappy it has become right now. Doing this, you will get the performance boost for your older PC as well. If this saves your time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks so much for watching.